Hello everyone. I'm so glad you have joined Vicki and I today for another Anything Goes Saturday. Today I'm going to be making a Valentine, and I pulled in some retired sets and a Christmas collection for this one. So from the To Every season, I am using the Happy Valentine's Day. I have pulled in the Uniquely Creative Merry and Bright collection pack. It was in my card kit, and these are the 3 papers that I'm using. I have also pulled in the paper cuts from the same kit, Creative Cuts, and I pulled in these pieces here for my card. All right. Then I have a scrap of white to stamp my sentiment. I pulled in a piece of Pool Party because I thought it went very well with that, so that's what I'm using. And I have my card base. Now, if you want measurements, you can find the link to my blog post below, and you can check out all the measurements there. Now, this piece is going to go on the front like so. Now, when you finish watching my video, make sure you click the link for Vicki's project and go back and check her project out to see what she did. All right, now I'm going to start layering my pieces. The first piece that goes on is this one. So I'm going to do this. Now, the Uniquely Creative card kits are single-sided, the DSP in it, or the pattern paper. All right, this goes in right about there, and it's, I'm going to say it's equally spaced. All right, the next one I have is this one, and I'm putting these all down flat. All right, and then this piece goes on like so. Oh, I want to turn that around. Something about it said it was upside down. All right. This piece goes on here like so. Now, I didn't round my corners. I didn't add layers. You can do any of that you want. All right, so there's that. Now, these I am going to put on with dimensionals, some of them. All right, I think I'm going to start with this one first down here. And I think I'm going to put that one on with dimensionals. So let me grab them and put them on. Let me get my pokey tool. Okay, so then this one is going to go here. All right, this one is going to go on flat, and I'm going to put it on there. So I'll add it like so. This one goes on next, and it goes on with dimensionals. So I'm going to grab my dimensionals to add them. Take my back off, and then I have to put on my leaves. And I'm thinking my leaves are going to go at the top because there's leaves at the bottom. All right, I'm going to put this one on right about there. And I'm thinking those leaves can get tucked right there. So I'm going to put this on with tape also. So I'm going to put it under like so. And I have a nice little flower cluster. And then, oh, I didn't grab my ink. All right, hang on. Okay, I pulled in my Altenew Sweet Dreams, and I'm thinking I'm going to try it on scrap paper first. I'm thinking steel. Well, that wasn't good because now my top is off. I'm going to have to play with those and see which one goes where because it came off. All right, I'm thinking this one, which is 𝘃𝗶𝗹𝗋, is going to match, but I'm going to stamp it here to see. Not bad. All right, let's see. I don't know if this one is the darker one or the lighter one. That one might be the lighter one. Ooh, that one's a good match for that. So I'm thinking this one is Aqualicious, but let's find out. I've got one more to try. Yeah, that one is Glacier Stream. So let's see. I know it won't be Dewdrops. Let me see. I think that's too dark. I think this one is my favorite, which is not 𝘃𝗶𝗹𝗋. That's 𝘃𝗶𝗶𝗋. I'm thinking I'm going to use Aqualicious. All right. Now that I've done all that, let me take this, ink it up, and stamp it on here. And then I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to do some fussy cutting around this. Lots of times I cut off the excess. All right. And I'm going to put that right there, and I'm going to put it on with dimensionals. That's a fun way to do your sentiment, is to fussy cut around it. I got to put this on straight. And it needs some gems. I have some silver hearts right here, so I'm going to use those. So let me see. Oh, you know what? I tried this yesterday and it didn't work. I'm going to use my fingers. And that one's crooked. Well, I'm not having very good luck. There. All right. Let me get another one. I'm not going to push down until I get it where I want it. And then one more. Ooh, I don't want it there. It's in line with the other one. Let's put it there. All right, there. So there's today's idea. And I went back to the same stamp set that the sentiment came from, and it had some hearts, and I stamped them with that color down the side of the card and envelope. I hope you enjoyed today's idea and that you're going to jump over to Vicky's project to see what she had. Thanks for watching. Have a super Saturday. Bye.